Now let's take a look at the Bahrain International Circuit. If you're new to Formula One, this can be quite an intimidating picture. There's a lot of different colors and numbers on this diagram. Let's break it down section by section. The easiest part of this diagram to understand are the white numbers. They represent turns. In this circuit, there are 15 turns. Note that this track is oriented clockwise. The checkered flag represents the finish line for the race. The speed trap occurs at the end of the longest straight and measures the maximum speed of each of the cars. Let's observe world champion Lewis Hamilton as he crosses the speed trap. You can see that he's in gear 8 for max speed, and now he brakes all the way down to gear 2 for turn 1. For timing purposes, the lap is split into 3 sections, each of which is roughly a third of the lap. These sections are officially known as Sector 1, Sector 2, and Sector 3. Teams use sectors to measure driver performance. For example, if a driver is slow in Sector 1, this could mean that his car is not performing well in straight line speed, as there are very few turns in Sector 1. Here we observe Ferrari driver Charles Leclerc finishing Sector 1 in a qualifying session. You will notice that there's a purple line under his time. This means that he was the quickest driver in the qualifying session for this sector. Let's understand the green lines. These lines represent areas in the track where DRS can be enabled. DRS stands for Drag Reduction System. When it is enabled, an adjustable flap on the rear wing of the car opens. This reduces drag and gives a pursuing car an overtaking advantage over the car in front. Cars using DRS can gain a speed increase of 10 to 12 kilometers per hour. There are 3 DRS zones for the Bahrain race. Between turns 15 and turn 1, between turn 3 and turn 4, and between turn 10 and turn 11. Drs Detection Zones determine if a driver can enable DRS in the green marked activation zones that we just spoke about. If a pursuing car is within 1 second when both cars cross the detection point, DRS can be activated. For example, if driver 2 crossed zone 3 within 1 second of driver 1, he can use DRS advantage in the upcoming straight. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more great Formula One content.